One very rich man came home late at night. It was cold. The wind was sharp and the night was silent. As his car entered the big bungalow, he suddenly saw a man sitting near the boundary wall. The man had no clothes on his body. He was shaking badly in the cold. He got out of the car and walked toward the man. The rich man felt pity. He said, "Why don't you wear some clothes?" The poor man replied softly, "Sir, I don't have any clothes." The rich man asked, "Then why don't you buy some?" The man said, "Sir, I don't have money." The rich man asked again, "Why don't you work hard? Why don't you do a job?" The man replied, "Sir, I am educated, but no one gives me a job." The rich man went ahead, but his heart felt heavy. After a few steps, he turned back and said, "Stay here. I will bring you some warm clothes." The poor man's eyes filled with hope. The rich man went inside, but inside the house, he got busy with other things. The night passed. In the morning, when he came outside, he saw the man lying still on the ground. He was dead. The rich man froze in shock. Suddenly, he remembered, "Oh my God, I promised him warm clothes." He went closer and saw a small note in the dead man's hand. The note said, "Sir, your promise took away my strength to fight. I have survived many cold nights without clothes, but last night I waited for your promise. Every moment I thought, warm clothes will come, warm clothes will come. That hope made me wait, and while waiting, I died." The rich man trembled. He understood a painful truth. The man could fight the cold alone, but the false hope of a promise made him weak. Waiting killed him. Never make a promise you cannot keep. Because before your promise, a person may fight life alone. But after your promise, they start depending on you. They wait, they trust, they stop fighting on their own. And at the same time, never depend completely on hope given by others. Hope can give strength, but blind hope can also make you weak. When hope replaces action and survival, it becomes dangerous. Life demands balance. Do your best to help, but promise only what you can do. And if you are waiting for help, do not stop fighting while you wait. Because promises can fail, but your will to live must not.